Most cultures love cooking and sharing food outdoors. It brings people together and improves the lifestyle experience of the entire community. We place people at the centre of everything that we do. So all our products are safe, simple to use and easy to clean and maintain. Our public barbecues offer a convenient outdoor activity for the entire community to enjoy. Engineered specifically for public use, they promote healthy outdoor living and social interaction while providing the very best cooking experience. We are passionate about the environment. That's why our barbecues offer the safest, most sustainable alternative to open flame grills and prevent waste, fires and pollution. Christie manufactures the original iconic Australian barbecue for cooking in shared public spaces. More than 50,000 of our energy efficient products have been installed worldwide since 1965. From the desert to the tropics, in camping grounds, public parks and high-rise resorts, they offer the perfect alternative to open flame grills and domestic barbecue options.